Hello, and welcome. Welcome to the inside of not the oldest data set, but certainly older data sets. This was one of the ones that looked like it came out of the original hats. Um, but it's white and it has a counter. So here is the back of inside, and I was uh, I was told the belt was not there, but the belt is here. There's the belt going round and round and round, but it's not going round and round and round because the motor is not spinning. And right here is the motor connected by 3 screws. Now, I am going to see what I can see and see what I can find and see if there is. I mean, doing a motor transplant doesn't seem to be that difficult. It does look like, and I don't want to bend this too much, so I won't. Basically, there's this brown wire that runs in here, which is actually 2 wires. And it would seem that a motor transplant would involve undoing 3 screws, probably actually 5 to get there's a little mounting thing here. Well, yeah, no, I don't think the motor would come out. So it would probably mean just gently pulling the belt off and then undoing those 2 screws under here, these screws, getting the motor off. Or you know what, if I was going to snag one off another one, maybe it just means undoing the 2 screws and popping the whole thing in there. And unsoldering the wires and resoldering the wires and seeing what's what. We'll see about that. We shall. Anyway, it does seem that even though it's not working, the buttons are working. As in, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, they do their things. And the things inside seem to be doing their thing. It would be horrible to swap the motor and then find out there's something else wrong, but that could in fact be the case. It could be. We will see. Anyway, first and foremost, what I got to do is sort out the shift lock mechanism on the keyboard. That means solder the 2 wires on, put the keyboard back in, and try to see if this pet is happy with another data set. That is important. Anyway, so here is the inside of a data set. It is. So this would be, probably more than 40 years old. It would be, and it does have, yeah, it's not in the best of shape, and also it doesn't work. So, anyway, I'm going to put this back on here. There we go. Ooh. Oh, that slipped off of there. Hello. What's going on here? Oh, okay, hang on here. What is going on here? Oh, okay. The belt has fallen down underneath some things. Okay, so there. The belt is back on, but that is not the problem. Anyway, well, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon back here in the TV room where we'll keep tinkering along. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.